I can turn on Speaker Coach, which is a brand new thing in Microsoft Teams meetings. Super handy, kind of neat. So right now, if I turn on Speaker Coach, likely at the end of this, at the end of this, it's going to give me a little private, hey, here's a coaching based on how you spoke. And so I can review that, and it gives me a rating based on inclusiveness and filler words and monologuing and all the rest of that. So when I do a Teams training and Speaker Coach is turned on, it usually yells at me and says that I talked too much. And I because that's what I do through the entirety of the training. Um, and it tells me that I talk too fast and those types of things. So, but it is a handy little thing to kind of get some objective feedback on how you're participating in a meeting, and if you're being engaging, or if you're just sitting there talking in a monotone voice at a very steady speed and using words like and like and all the rest of that all the time. So Speaker Coach can be kind of neat, especially if you're doing a lot of meetings, helps you kind of do a little bit better at it. And if you want to see a little bit of what Speaker Coach looks like, here's a Speaker Coach report. This is what it ends up looking like. I'm a big fan of Speaker Coach. I've been using it. I have actually got it turned on by default for all of my meetings at Bloom. So this is from our morning stand up this morning. This is the entire team attends the meeting. I only spent a minute 32 out of that 15 minutes speaking. I have one suggestion. Apparently I used the word once. So it's gonna highlight that to me, but I'm not using repetitive language. I'm pacing myself. I'm letting people talk and not taking over the entire meeting, et cetera, et cetera. I'm a big fan of it. It's pretty neat, pretty cool. Allows me to become a little bit better at running these meetings and being part of these meetings without actually having to do anything else, because it automatically posts up.